Okay, so I'll keep recording myself while doing an advanced, dangerous yoga exercise you shouldn't do unless you start with something more basic I explained in my previous videos. I hope there are no more interruptions. While in this trance state of this yoga exercise, I can describe the words I see while in this state trance that normally I forget about, and I train myself to describe these words while in this state to later be able to remember, because this is the problem I'm having while I practice this yoga. Okay, so here I go. Okay, so what was I about? I don't remember. Oh yes, to describe the words, but I didn't describe the thing. I'll try again. I'll try to describe them. Now I see other words, but I see it's all mixed up. It makes no sense. It's no visually. It's like an abstract art. It makes no sense. Okay, I'll try it a last time. This is what I'm up to. I don't hang around very much. Lately, my secret word answer to make an account about who was my best friend, it was nobody. Nobody is my best friend, not even myself. So what I'm up to, instead of drinking around with people and destroying my liver, or hanging around with a stoner and destroying my lungs, I hang in my room, do breathing exercise. When I go to sleep, I do exercise to try to connect with dreams or have lucid dreaming that I've never had. I'm very happy with this. I won't complain. God behaved pretty well with me. I may be able to see 3D because with this breathing exercise, if I look myself in the mirror while I'm releasing endorphins that I can feel in the spine being injected in the body, I can see for moments 3D. Okay, so I'll do it a last time. I hope by this last time I have already learned to describe myself, the world I'm seeing, and on this way have that habit for the future and learn something from this experience, a shamanic experience without drugs. So next time a buddy of yours offers you a joint or a trip or whatever offers you, you tell no, I can get way higher than that just breathing. God gives us that as a gift naturally. We don't need anything externally, just with which is in our brains we can get as high as we want. You are a witness of how high I'm getting. today is my birthday, so to celebrate, I get high naturally. I'll do it a last time, and I'll try to describe what I see. Okay, I want to say one thing before I forget. Now on this concerning, I'm like a pilot who's handling G-forces, and the stick force is the amount of fast press you made, and later while you are holding your breath, the stick that releases or pulls G-forces would be lowering your head or keeping it in rest. If you feel you are pulling too much G forces, as I have done sometimes, what you do is you lower your head. But this is very advanced. Don't do this. Start with the more basic exercise that would be doing this while sat. Okay. You would be, you would be, you would be pulling. Well, I lost it completely. I don't know where I am. Oh yes, I was recording. I was recording myself, but never mind. I'll try to create a bit. Anyway, using the effect of this exercise, it gets you really stoned naturally, and it's a shamanic natural experience. That's all I can say. Okay, thank you for your attention.